Welcome back to GT Auto, the 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee, a vehicle that's designed to cater to adventure seekers, city commuters, and luxury SUV enthusiasts alike. The 2025 Grand Cherokee maintains its iconic, muscular design, showcasing a perfect balance between luxury and toughness. The front end is dominated by a bold 7-slot grille, paired with sharp angular headlights that give the SUV a modern and aggressive look. The updated LED lighting, both front and rear, adds a contemporary touch while improving visibility. Jeep offers a range of engines, starting with the base 3.6-liter V6 engine, which produces a solid 293 horsepower. For those looking for a bit more power, there's the 5.7-liter V8 engine, delivering 357 horsepower, perfect for those who want extra towing capacity or simply a more spirited driving experience. Inside the 2025 Grand Cherokee, it's clear that Jeep is focused on providing a luxurious, comfortable, and tech-savvy cabin. The interior is an absolute treat, with top-notch materials used throughout, including soft-touch surfaces, premium leather upholstery, and wood accents. The dashboard design is sleek and intuitive with a dual-screen setup. The larger 10.1-inch infotainment system is the centerpiece, offering crisp graphics, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced navigation system that integrates seamlessly into the user experience. There's also a 10.25-inch digital display for the driver, offering all the information you need without cluttering up the dashboard. The body lines are sleek, yet still maintain the robust and boxy character that Jeep is known for. You also have a choice of stunning new colors, from bold metallic shades to classic understated hues. Jeep continues to offer 18-inch, 20-inch, and even 21-inch wheels, giving you plenty of options for customizing the ride to match your taste. The Grand Cherokee is now available in a plug-in hybrid variant, combining efficiency with the power you expect from a Jeep. In terms of driving dynamics, the Grand Cherokee is equipped with Jeep's legendary Quadra Track 2 or Quadra Drive 2A4WD systems. As for the pricing, the 2025 Grand Cherokee comes in several trims, starting with the Laredo at around $40,000. If you opt for the more luxurious Overland or Summit trims, you can expect to pay closer to $50,000 to $60,000, depending on the configuration and option. For those looking for a high-performance experience, the Grand Cherokee Trackhawk, which boasts a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine producing 707 horsepower, will cost you upwards of $90,000. The 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee offers a fantastic mix of ruggedness, luxury, and practicality. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.